How to fix your iPhone hotspot is not working on your laptop. So if you're unable to connect to your personal hotspot, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone and go and load up the settings. Now toggle on the airplane mode. You can then wait around 4 seconds and then go and turn this off. Now click on Personal Hotspot. Make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on, and also make sure Maximize Compatibility is switched on as well. You can then try turning off Allow Others to Join, wait around 5 seconds, and then turn this back on. Now if it's still not working, come back over to Settings and scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. As you can see here, mine says not connected. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and press Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings, and go and enter your iPhone's passcode. Once you've done this, you'll need to head back over to your personal hotspot and make sure it's turned on. You can then head over to your laptop, and we're just going to click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom right hand side. Now click on Bluetooth and make sure this is switched on. Now click on the drop down next to the Wi-Fi's and you can try connecting to your personal hotspot. If it's not working, press More Wi-Fi Settings and press Manage Known Networks. You'll then need to scroll down at your saved Wi-Fi networks until you see your personal phone hotspot. If it's saved in this list, press the Forget button next to it, and then you can try reconnecting to the personal hotspot on your iPhone and it should now go and connect.